What do we have here? Yes, black raspberries. Oh my God, they're so good. High in antioxidants. For those who haven't, oh my goodness, I think I hit the mother lode. Yep, they're coming into season. Around the farm, you end up finding things like this, or they've just been there, you know, your entire life growing up. Trying to think of some of the other things besides like blueberries and red raspberries, blackberries. Gosh, oh, rhubarb. That's another thing that's a pleasant surprise to find. Anyway, sunny day here in Pennsylvania. You can see farm life going on here. Love you guys.